Hey guys, welcome to Sponges to Spatula, and this is Pallavi. So today I was going to take care of my face, like I was going to make my eyebrows, and I thought I should share with you guys that during lockdown you can definitely beautifully make your eyebrows without much pain, everything DIY. So let's get started. I'll basically wax my eyebrows, and it is much easier and less painful than threading. Trust me guys, it's much easier. For that you will require cold wax. If you have cold wax, well and good, and if you don't have, you can definitely make it at home. I have made it at home, and if anybody requires, I can share the recipe of that as well. Next, you require any this kind of bag, carry bag that you go to the market and the shopkeeper supplies you. You have to wash their bags carefully so that there is no dust which can cause allergy to you. Wash it, dry it, and then it's good to go. This bag I have been using for last 2-3 times, and this much is left. I'll be cutting from this part only and use and show you. If you are not an expert or you are not confident, then you first outline with the help of eyebrow pencil the area where you want to be safe, and the rest of the area will be cleared out. Now I have applied powder to it, then I'll apply the cold wax and show you. This is homemade cold wax. You can see you can make as little as this much, that you will apply and utilize for your whole face, and it will be finished. So basically you can make fresh every time you require, or you can store it as you use the store-bought one. So I have taken it at the back of a fork because I don't have a proper spatula for it. I have cut this kind of strips, and I'm sticking it and pressing it 3-4 times, you can see, so that it sticks well. And with I hope guys you can see the hair that has come out so well and at one go, and it is least painful. Once you try, and you'll just forget threading. Trust me guys. Whatever is left, you can again apply some powder to it and reapply wax. The rest, that those which are very fine hairs, you can pluck out the excess using a plucker. You need to apply powder because it is quite hot and you don't want so I've applied. It's getting thicker now. I think I have plugged 1 or 2 extra because looking at the mobile and doing this is quite difficult rather than doing in front of a mirror. So guys, it's not that it will be that dangerous that you'll pluck out your required hair also. It's actually difficult in looking at the mobile and doing so. That's why you can see again using this strip. Okay, so some hairs got stuck into this, but no, not an issue. You can see that I have still got wax into it along with the fine hairs, which I can it hurts, but it cleans. Can you see the difference? It's already quite clean, and I have still a lot of fine hairs at my upper lip, and I am using the same wax and strip without applying any extra. Ow! Upper lip pains, but it does work. So now I have utilized that strip. Now again back to the eyebrow. I don't know whether you can catch or not, but there are quite a good amount of hair removed at one go. So basically you can see how clearly it has cleared. Obviously you're not going to watch in the mobile and clean, so one or two hair you might can find extra have come, though not that bad, just one from here. Otherwise see how smooth and clean it clears and least pain. So this is the best way. Even I'll do my facial hairs, I'll remove all my facial hair with the help of this procedure only. So after I clear everything, I'll be back and show you the result. So guys, you can see how clean it has done my eyebrows just with the help of waxing and DIY your waxing strips. You can see how beautifully it has taken out my facial hairs, my upper lip, everywhere. You can even see my face is completely clean because the process that I use helps to incorporate vitamin C. So it also adds to brighten your face also. So guys, try this method, and anybody who is willing to make homemade wax, cold wax for your face, for your any part of your body where you want to remove your hair, this is perfectly fine and it will help to brighten your skin. So guys, if you like the video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.